we'll walk you through
how to make and manage pages on WordPress.
If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel.
Pages are very different from posts. Pages are static parts of your site, and these are usually permanent. And from time to time, you might want to make some changes. However, posts are time oriented, and you make more changes often on a post. So in order to add a page to your site, all you need to do is to go over to your dashboard here and click on Pages and click Add Page. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to add the title of your page. So I'm just going to add, let's say, an About Us section to the page. You can, of course, make other modifications by going to the right of your screen and setting a featured image. This is good because it makes the page a bit unique. Click on Media Library, and you can either upload a file or just choose one from your uploaded images. I'm just going to pick this one and select Set Featured Image. Right. The next thing you want to do is to go over to Discussion and make sure it's closed. The default setting on WordPress is open, meaning visitors can add new comments on your page. But I'm just going to put it at closed here. All right. And as you can see, I've added some information about my page on here. And once you're done with that, all you need to do is go over to Publish on the top right corner and click Publish. And your page is live. You can go ahead and view the page by clicking on View Page. And as you can see, your page is live. If you want to make edits to your page, all you need to do is click on Edits page. And at this point, you can come back and make some other changes, or you can go to your dashboard, go back to Pages on the left. To make some changes, all you need to do is to hover on the page here and a context menu will appear. You can go ahead and either do an edit or a quick edit. A quick edit is basically a faster way to edit the title, the slug, essentially the date, and things like that. For a more in-depth edit, you would need to use the edit function, and essentially this will redirect you to the initial page where you can make all of the changes as necessary. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.